Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are very welcome to Let's Cook with Elle. Today I'm bringing you this ultimate Congolese breakfast. Guys, this is a Congolese breakfast. Like, I ate this quite a lot when I was in Congo. It's very easy, it's quite healthy and quick to make. Ooh, I just whistled there. But it's quick to make and I hope you guys will enjoy this. And if you do, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't. So let's get started. So guys, to make this porridge, I'm placing my pot on fire, just waiting for that to boil, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So once the water has boiled, I'm gonna take my cornmeal fine, this is what I'm using, and just gradually pour it in and stir it at the same time so it doesn't get any lumps. So I just use a whisk and stir it. Keep stirring, don't put too much. I've got the heat on low right now. You literally don't need to put too much because it gets so thick. So you just leave it for about 2 minutes and it should be cooked and ready to be served. And guys, this is not done yet. We're going to spice it up a bit so it can be super delicious. So guys, as you can see, I've added my NIdo milk and sugar. This is the NIdo milk, guys. This is as Congolese as it can get. I had it so much growing up. This is like, I think it's in my DNA now. By the way, it's not sponsored. This is something that I love and I've been using it for many years. So yeah, it is super good. But yeah, this is it, guys. Cornmeal porridge. This we call poto ya masango. Yeah, poto ya masango in Lingala. So super yummy. It's a good source of protein and super yummy. So guys, I'm serving it with some bread and butter. Guys, this is literally ultimate Congolese breakfast. Like, growing up, this is what we had a lot at home, like for breakfast. Of course, with sausage, with egg. It's just too much. I can't right now. Otherwise, I'll just be asleep for the whole day. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is it. And of course, this is not the only Congolese breakfast that you can have. There are so many Congolese breakfast you can have. You have puff with avocado, we have baguettes with nguba, baguette with tea, with egg. You have semolina porridge as well, which I've got a recipe on it. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And or if you're brave enough, you can risk it and have semolina for breakfast. You can have fufu for breakfast, which I would not recommend because guys, if you got stuff to do, please don't do it. But yeah, because it's the ultimate Congolese breakfast, so I thought I'll throw it in there. But yeah, a lot of people have it in Congo when they have a long day, because if they know that they won't have time to eat, they'll have full because as they call it, ganga journée, it will literally keep them full for most of the day. So yeah guys, so this is what I'm having. Cornmeal porridge and bread. That is it, guys. And you can spice it up a bit, add whatever you like. You can add vanilla, cinnamon. You can serve it with egg if you're brave enough. But when it comes to breakfast, I don't like to have something too heavy because I don't think I can keep it up, you know. I need something okay, nama. This is a normal thing now. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this and I'm gonna go eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know on the country you're from, and also what is your ultimate breakfast that's famous in your country. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.